Hey guys, welcome to this Ididit Tech. Now this is all about the horn cam. Now it's a really easy one, but it's great to see it up close. So this is your horn cam here. Obviously sits up here on the front end of your steering column. Behind it is your turn signal switch. So when you hit your lever, right, that's switching, making your blinkers going on. This is sitting right in front, but it's engaging it. So let me show you the two functions that are happening. So if I flip it around, you can see these two little lobes here. When again, you engage your turn signal and you turn your wheel, at some point one of these lobes is going to hit your canceling device. When you go the other way, turning the other direction, you're going to cancel the opposite side. So this is very important in how it engages, and it has to be clocked. Before I show you that, let me flip it around. This is connected to your horn button, right? So you're grounding out. This is part of your switch here, right? So you can see the terminal, a little spring. And as I engage it here, you can see a little tang right there. And if I spin it a little bit to the right, it locks in. So now my horn button is going to operate back behind there as well. So that's going to go in this one, of course. This is your last step. So you can have any orientation of your steering shaft, it's okay. But if I hold the back end here, you can see that I can still turn this however I need. Now, once this is sitting in the proper position, you'll want to rotate this to about 1030. Then you can put on your wheel, piece of cake. And you can see this is an adapter, typical adapter. So your steering wheel is going to bolt on the front side. And if I look at the back side, there's the opening there. That's going to align. So when everything goes together and you put it at about 1030, that's going to make sure your canceling works at the right rotation of the wheel.